Hello everyone, my name is Jason Velasco, and today I will explain how the concept of how rehabilitation and how it helps the PDLs or the persons deprived of liberty. Rehabilitation means helping a person who has committed a crime to change for the better, to that they can live a normal and productive life when they return to society. Instead of only punishing them, rehabilitation focuses on giving them opportunities to learn and improve. So sabi dito sa rehabilitation is not only for punishment or punitive punishment, but also it focuses on the integration or yung pagpapagaling sa isang person deprived of liberty. Kasi sabi dito tinuturing yung mga PDLs na may mga sakit or kailangan ng um, kalinga ng gobyerno or ng rehabilitation para mapagaling yung estado nila pag pumunta sila or pag bumalik sila sa society. And for example is yung PDLs. They are giving an access to education, skills training, counseling, and spiritual guidance para mas mahubog pa yung mismo yung sarili nila kapag sila ay bumalik sa society. And very important din yung maging useful ulit sila sa community para mawala na yung discrimination or yung labeling sa kanila after sa corrections pag bumalik sila sa community.